Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm having issues with my YouTube. I'm gonna show you what it's doing. So I open up YouTube and I click on a video and then it stops working. It stops working and I get this error message. So I close app. I seen a different video on how to resolve this, so I'm gonna try it out on this one and help you guys out. So you're gonna go into settings, go into apps, and I'm learning as I go, guys. I'm not even sure if it's gonna work. But if it gets uploaded, obviously it worked. Where's YouTube? YouTube. Okay, click here. Oh, well, this looks way different on the video way. Whoa. So it looks way different on here. Right here, maybe? Nope. Storage. Okay, so we're gonna need to do this part, but we need to force to stop. And the video said force stop. Oh, right here on the corner, guys. Let me use a mouse right here. It says just force it to stop. Just click here. It might look different on your device, but find that option, and then you're gonna want to go into data. No, it wasn't data. I just saw it right now. Storage. You're going to want to clear the storage, and you're going to want to clear the data. Make sure you guys remember your emails just in case. I'm not sure what it's going to do, so click OK. And I think we're done. Are we done? Yes. Click YouTube. And it's not for sure yet until we play a video.
Welcome to the Disney Bundle, where Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus come to life on all your screens.
Okay, it's working. I didn't expect that to work, but that's how you do it, guys. If this video gets uploaded, it worked. Okay. Nice. Alright, guys. Try a different video just in case. I don't want to get copyrighted, so I can't be playing too many videos. Okay. Nice. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I like to get right into the videos and right into, I like to get straight to the point. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.